Good evening, everybody. I am Jay Sri from Department of Biomedical Engineering from SNS College of Technology. So, I am going to take the meiosis topic from the biology for engineers. Okay. Let us see what do you mean by meiosis. A single term germ cell that divides into 4 unique daughter cells. That is what meiosis. Daughter cells have half the number of chromosomes as that of the parent cell. So they are considered to be this haploid cell. So let us see this. This is what the interphase cells, that is cell division occurs. This cell division occurs, this single cell forms this 4 cells. From the 4 cells, which forms this cross major, that is in red color is mingled with this blue color, and this forms this meiosis part 1. So this also the taken place of 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and again this daughter nucleus formed into the 4 daughter nucleus. Okay, that is what the importance of this meiosis cell division. Okay, so let us see what do you mean by genetic terminology. So refers to the number of sets of chromosomes in the cell, haploid. One copy of each chromosome designated as n number of chromosomes in one set gametes. Okay. And diploid cell, 2 set of chromosomes designated as 2n of somatic cells. Okay. That is what this haploid cell and diploid cells. One copy of each chromosome is designated as n, and 2 sets of chromosome is designated as a 2n somatic cells. So this chromosome is formed like this: pair 1, pair 2, pair 3. This is what parent chromosome, and this is what daughter chromosome, and so on until all the homologous pairs have been assigned. This is what this genetic terminology. Okay. Let us see what do you mean by chromosomes. Chromosome exists in homologous pair in diploid cells. Homolog, that is the same number of cell divisions occur in each pair of the cells. So if the cell is divided into 4 types, again it is divided into 4 types. If the cell is again into 3 types, it is again divided into 3 types. That is what homologous pair. Exception, that is what 6 chromosomes X and Y. All the chromosomes are autochromosomes, have the homologous. Okay. Next one is what? Karyotype. So how many chromosomes pair are in each karyotype cells? How is the bottom of the karyotype different from the top 2? So let us see this detail. So here normal human beings contains 46 number of chromosomes, whereas 23 pairs. Okay, this forms this chromosomes from the chromatin. Okay, so from this it is formed this karyotype. So this 1, 2, 3 cells form again this 4 cells, and this B cell forms this again subdivision take place. That is what karyotype. So finally all the human beings contains 23 pair of chromosomes in every human body. Okay. Next one is what? Sexual reproduction. Okay. The fusion of 2 gametes produces a single zygote. Okay. It introduces greater genetic variation, allows genetic recombination. Zygote has gametes formed from 2 different parents. Okay. That is what this sexual reproduction take place. Okay. Next one is what? In humans, at fertilization, 23 chromosomes are donated by each parent. Okay. So gametes contain 22 autochromes and 1 sex chromosomes. Fertilization results in diploid zygote. Okay. Next one is what? This is what the final structure of this meiosis. In the meiosis, there are 2 cell divisions of the nucleus: meiosis 1 and meiosis II. This interface form the cell is divided into the 4 cells that forms the meiosis stage 1, and in stage 2 the meiosis forms the 4 daughter cells. In stage 1 the first interface takes place the first 2 daughter cells, whereas in stage 2 2 daughter cells again forms these 4 daughter cells. So thank you all. Have a great day.